Hello everyone, today we have a 2013 Ford E350 4x4 lift. And that is sounding smooth as could be, so I'm going to go ahead and close this up and take you for a tour. As you can see, a conversion package was done. Just have a brush bar, fog lights, a winch, off-road tires, Fox shocks. See, it does have a ladder. It goes up top. There are racks up top. And this will attach to those racks. There's your kitchenette. And these just pop in and then you can pull those out, and those are drawers, cabinets, your sink, microwave, and fridge. And then you have additional storage space down here in the floor and underneath this bed that folds out. And we'll go ahead, this also folds down as well. And these, go ahead and show you how those work. But these, in order to open them, you'll need to actually trigger them on this right here. That's how that closes up. All right, so I'll go ahead and continue to take you around. These also fold down, and there's your step to get in here. Each of these lights that hangs down and illuminates individually. And this top raises up, and we will add photos of that as well. How this top raises up, but you loosen these brackets, and then you see that it has an electric top raise. All right, so we'll go ahead and close that up. See that it does have an awning. Here's a shot of the VIN right here. As you look down here, you'll see that it has 33,388 miles on this vehicle. And then you've got your cruise controls, your push to talk, your lights. Over here, your fans. Right here is your rear fans, and then you have your fans for up front, and you have an additional 12-volt power outlet right here and here. And then there's your power bank, USB and auxiliary, and you'll see that it does have a touchscreen stereo and navigation, radio. So that works well. AM, FM, Sirius XM, and Bluetooth. Okay, and it does have a backup camera. All right. And go ahead and show you this view as well of the van. All leather seats. We'll go ahead and hop out. This vehicle does have a branded title. It was in an accident. The airbags did not deploy. There was no structural damage, so we got it all fixed up. It has passed the 150-point inspection and the state of Utah safety inspection. For more inventory, visit us at tjchapmanauto.com. In the spirit of full disclosure, here is a copy of the original label for your vehicle, so you can see what it was equipped with straight out of the factory.